Hello guys, good morning guys. Ito nga pala yung kalsada ng relocation ng cold storage area Upper Vista Grande, Antipolo City. Dito nga pala guys, ililipat yung mga naguhuan ng pader. Yan guys, ang lawak na ng kalsada guys. Ito guys, paakyat na tayo mga lods. Paakyat na tayo. I'm here in Grava Falls. Yan guys. Overlooking. Yan po, malapit na tayo. Yan guys, yung maraming bahay guys. Yan po yung Montalban, Rizal. Yun po yung San Mateo. Yan guys, yung side na yan guys, La Montana Residence. Yan na po. Dito na tayo guys sa may relocation ng Vista Grande, yung naguhuan sa may cold storage pader. Yan po guys, yun ang gumawa na building guys. So yan, nandito lang po sa may kaharap ang kanilang relocation guys. Nice please, ang hangin, sariwang hangin guys. And guys, thank you guys for your watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Rogelio Galigaw, and my FB page, FB Reels, Gel Lagwas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Babo.